Kerala, nammade sondam. Kerala is surreal, man. Like you hear all these taglines, God's own country, the most beautiful place in India, and it's only when you come here that you realize why it is called, or like why that tagline actually sells.
So as you can see, like the way I'm dressed, this is what Cochin has done to me. And the people here, they really, touched my heart and made me feel like one of them.
Yes, I'm in the very own God's country, Kerala. From the still waters, the subtle green grass, to the coconut groves, Kerala has always been an escape for me.
All you need to do is step out, start walking, step out of your bus, start walking and just walk. Every place that you go to is surreal. It's so beautiful, there are so many elements, You feel like this is where you want to stay forever and ever. And that is something that is truly unique to this place.
To the places that I visited here, the Fort Kochi, the beautiful houses, actually that place, Fort Kochi, reflects of every house there reflects a different colony that existed there, the French, the Portuguese, the Dutch. So you can see a lot of, it's a mix of culture basically, and different sort of people coming together, setting up a city like Kochi.
Since last night, I've been around with this family who live right close to our hotel. They welcomed us with so much of love that I don't feel like getting back to the hotel. I mean, today, early morning, all I could think of is I want to get back to their house.
PJ Princess Regency was the most serene hotel we stayed in amidst coconut groves and ponds. Luxurious rooms, comfy beds, and an amazing swimming pool. They served authentic and delicious local food, which I heartfully rejoiced. I'm gonna go write them a review on Holiday IQ, through whom we found this beautiful place.
बोले तो सुसेगढ़, relax.
So Goa. Goa was one place that, you know, delighted my inner self. I mean, it was absolutely amazing.
Goa, the one place that everyone looks forward to visit to. So it might be the kids, it might be aunties, uncles, teenagers. Everyone finds a reason to visit Goa.
People say, you know, Goa in the off season is like pretty dull, but I found it to be heaven, man. There's no crowd around, and the monsoon, like, you know, after a drizzle, Goa is like brand new, and you have whole Goan beaches to yourself.
From never visiting a beach in my life to seeing so many beautiful beaches at a stretch, Bagator, you know, Baga, Candolim, and all these beautiful beaches. Yeah, I mean, now I can say that I will never dare to compare beaches with mountains, because beaches have a different beauty to them, and they just put you to calm.
I think Goa for me, it's like you visit once, you will definitely visit one more time, and each time Goa gives you a completely different experience, and that's the best part about Goa.